Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Deborah Kuykendall from the City of LaPorte Parks and Recreation Special Services. You are visiting us at Cooking 101. We're cooking chicken casserole and cucumber, tomato, onion salad today. Please enjoy. Cooking 101. We are cooking chicken casserole, cucumber, tomatoes, and onion salad. Okay. I will start by peeling, well, I might peel the cucumber. And we are going to de-seed it. Them in the bowl. And now the onion. It's totally up to the individual if they want their onions chopped smaller. They just chop them smaller. I like bigger onions for the texture of the salad. Okay. Now the tomato. Get a different knife. Add those. And a fourth of a cup of oil, vegetable oil. You can do vegetable oil, canola oil, olive oil, whichever you prefer. Fourth of a cup of vinegar. And a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of sugar. And lid. And we shake it up to get it together. And we pour it in that. And you would take salt and pepper to taste. If you want a lot of salt, a little salt to taste. Okay, I have kosher salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of black pepper, and we will stir it. And you would stick it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or longer to let it marinate. When you're ready, you can take it out and drain it. After 30 minutes of marinating, this would be your finished product. Each one is different. See what I was saying about the difference in the texture of the onions? Smaller to larger, whichever you prefer. Okay. On the box, it says 6 cups of water. So I'll do 6 cups of water. It says 4 tablespoons of butter. That will come later. Let me boil the water. I'm going to 6 cups. It'll boil for 7 to 8 minutes till the noodles are done. To taste. If you want them not totally done, al dente, that's totally you would have to taste it. Al dente means not all the way done. 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Okay. Let me get it out. Add a little water in the can, slosh it around a little bit. Here we go. Throw that away. Now, we open the chicken breasts. Canned chicken. And we'll drain the chicken. add the chicken. Crunch it up a little bit. Open the peas and drain them. You can do canned peas or you can do frozen peas. Now, let me check on my noodles back here. They are not boiling yet, but they will. They're cooking. I will measure 1/4 of a cup of milk for the macaroni and cheese when it's done. Right there, 1/4 of a cup of milk. I have taken this baking pan, oiled it a little bit on the bottom, and when we get it together, we'll put it in. If you want to put cheese on top, you can. I do, and we'll get the cheese out when we're ready, okay? When it looks like this, it's done. You can take it out, put it in your hand, and try not to burn yourself, of course, and pinch it, and it's done, if it's soft enough, okay? Now what we do is drain our noodles. And it is to the individual's taste. If you want a lot of cheese, you eat a lot of cheese. I choose a little bit of cheese, but that's me. Okay? And here we go. And we clean as we can. We're going to take aluminum foil, boil it, put it in the oven at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay. All right. For 30 minutes. Be very careful because it's hot. And when you open the foil, open it away from you so it doesn't steam you. Okay? Always away. Voila. And it's hot. Just remember it's hot. I think that's just perfectly fine right there. And then we'll take another spoon. They're awful big, but they're spoons. And we'll plate it. To taste it, blow. It's good. Perfect.